Alright, y'all, so this is the intro. It was basically a canyon run today. It started from Santa Monica, through the canyons, all the way to Neptune's restaurant. For those of you that don't know where Neptune's restaurant at, is basically where they filmed Fast and Furious. I'll put a little clip here now. So right here with the homie, 540 wanted to race the other homie with the 340, but it wasn't too good. 540 stock, 340 got a down pipe.
He didn't even say. What you got, 40? No, we said 50. Oh. 50?
Wetty. That shit look too clean.
Oh, nigga. What kind of wheels are those?
What's them, boys? Corvettes.
Oh, man, that shit.
Or the homie with the E46. Little G80. Big wet. Cool little U46. Damn, nigga, little fucking fit me. That shit like 2 fingers.
No, it's automatic. My homie is. How do you like it? Amazing. Just on better tires. Because my previous tires was done. I was thinking that I'm gonna change my wheels. And went with the cheapest tire.
Little G80. And 4. The homie's 540. The homie's 340. Cool little lineup. Cool little Sunday morning. Your boy was partying last night. Had to go get me a fucking electrolytes. Feeling all type of bad. This is stupid wet. We are here over here in Santa Monica. In the neighborhood. Cool little big street. You got that. I don't know what is that. Niggas putting up in spaceships and shit.
I just figured I'd ask because you guys are.
I like the spec on this one. Red interior. Damn, that shit blue. Crispy. Was putting up in spaceships?
Born and sell, no check into like no.
What's that? 1940 look cool.
Alright, everyone, gather around. We're going to have a quick driver's meeting, then we're going to head on out. Guys, thank you all for coming out to Jake's Breakfast Club. Unfortunately, we did have to postpone Keenan Cars and Coffee just because it got so big. We had to expand it. So we're pushing that back a month, but we didn't want to leave you hanging. So that's why we're doing this drive. If you haven't been to one of these drives that I host, it's a little bit different than the Malibu Audubon ones. We keep it super simple, very unstructured as far as route and whatnot. I'm just giving you a start point and an end location, and where you go is up to you.
This fucking M340 wet. Look at that shit. We out. We out.
How about me?
Look at this nigga. That boy needs the meta glasses. Careful when you're stepping on it. Beautiful as day to day. Up to Neptune's. This should look cool.
This one's nice.
Fucking M5CS. Five comp. This is what I'll get. This shit are crazy. The fucking wheels on the CS. Another one in the cut. I like the spec on this M5. Brown guts, satin back outside, M42, got a cool little spec, white guts inside. What's up? Yeah, I fucking love satin, fool. Dream car right there. Stupid job. 6 spaceship. Corvette C8. .50. Fuck. The fitment on the fucking wheels are crazy on these. E46. Huh? Supercharged? This one looks like your homies.
Yeah, it is.
That's what I said. Is your homies? Yeah. Supercharged? You put a supercharged? No way. This one looks nice. Whoa, this is a clean E46. Oh, this M340, cool. Cool spec too. Way outside, right interior. About to get what we're about to get. We got tuna mounts, some fish and chips, burger. What sounds good? Fish and shrimp. I was gonna get a tuna mount, but I was like, fuck it, let me try the burger. What's that? Chicken burger? This shit look good. Just got done eating right quick. New lineup. M3. Is your homies? M8. So fucking HREs. Shit look cool, chrome. G80. Another M3. Shit look cool. Ferrari. It's the outro. Overall was good meat. Appreciate the love on the last video. Let's try to hit 5 likes again.